How to use constant contact for email marketing fast. Welcome to this quick guide on using constant contact for email marketing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, we've got you covered on how to get started swiftly. First, sign up for a constant contact account or log in if you already have one. You'll find yourself on the dashboard, a central hub for managing your campaigns and contacts. To begin creating an email, click on Create, then select Email. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Pick one that aligns with your brand style. Templates are pre-designed, making it easy to customize your message and maintain consistency. Now, edit your email. Enter a catchy subject line that grabs attention. Personalize your email by using placeholders for names or other details. Customize the content by dragging and dropping elements like text blocks, images, and buttons to lay out your email visually. Next, click on Design to adjust fonts and colors. This ensures your email matches your branding. If you want to add links or socialize your email by including social media icons, now's the time to do it. Before sending, don't forget to preview your email on both desktop and mobile to see how it displays. A/B testing can also be set up to test different subject lines or content with your audience, helping to optimize open rates. Once satisfied, it's time to select your target audience. Go to the Contacts tab to create a list or segment your audience based on factors like location or previous engagement. This helps in delivering more personalized and targeted emails. Finally, review everything. Ensure your content is error-free, relevant, and aligned with your goals. Then, schedule the email to be sent at a time when your audience is most likely to engage, or send it immediately if ready. If this video helped you streamline your email marketing, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tips.